Fresh into Ling's Power Sports in Norwich, we have this beautiful edition of the 2022 Aprilia 1100 TUONO V4. This is the V4 factory edition of the bike and is in exceptional condition. It's done just under 10,000 miles. And additionally comes with this rear seat cowl with the stock pillion seat and pillion seat cover available as well with the bike. It also comes with the crash bobbins as well as these aftermarket brake and clutch levers. Let's quickly start it up and give it a listen. For more information, call 01603 985 000.